Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to make a really simple salad, but I'm going to add some homemade yogurt to give it a probiotic boost. So this is a classic Waldorf salad: celery, apples, grapes, walnuts, all the regular characters, and we're going to make a zingy dressing with our probiotic yogurt. In a mixing bowl, mix together 1/3 cup of homemade yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now for the salad ingredients. You'll need 2 diced green apples, 1½ cups of diced celery, that's around 2 to 3 sticks of celery, 1 cup of halved grapes, a cup of roughly chopped walnuts, and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Add all of this to the bowl with the dressing and toss to combine. This salad is best when it's prepared 2 to 3 hours in advance. So there you have it, a really simple, crispy, summery fresh salad, a great one to bring along to your next family picnic or to just serve on the weekend for lunch. A great probiotic boost in that homemade yogurt, and you have yourself a really nice balanced salad. For more great recipes, check out our blog. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life videos. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.